Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's October 1st, coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to get into the weekly update on Profit Engine. We're into week 15. If you've gotten to this one, they have a crypto trading platform. They also have an FX side, FX Nitro. That one costs £100 a month to get into. So if you're interested in that one, we're just talking about the Profit Engine, which was a token. They've turned this into an NFT, and you can get rewards on that weekly coming forward. So what happened this week? We're into week 15. They've been profitable all 15 weeks going forward. We got to 0.5% this week, down slightly. Their average over the 15 weeks is 1.5%. So you got about just under 3,000, 2,960 USDT. They switched from BUSD now to USDT in profits. So you basically just have to, once you have your NFTs, you just go on weekly and you claim. You can have multiple NFTs. It's one-click claim, so it's a nice, easy process in the DApp, and we'll take a look at that here shortly. Over the 15 weeks, as you can see here, they're just under $80,000 in BUSD rewards distributed. And for the month, I just did a quick outline, broke this out here as well. So if the weekly payouts, if you look here, September 8th, this 8.66 USDT is the USDT per million fuel that you hold. So fuel is the actual token that was there, and they've converted them to NFTs. So if you own 1 million in fuel, and you can buy the denominations from 2K, 5K, 10K. NFTs, and so if you're holding a million fuel in your NFTs, you would get 866 USDT per million. And then this is just a dollar value on the weekly basis and the percentage. So as you can see here, 1.1, 0.45, and zero point 0.5 for the month. And again, they have not been negative so far. This 15 weeks they've been going forward, so it's been really profitable. So again, if you're interested, profitengine.info is the main website. Some of the links are a little bit outdated. They need to update them, but if you're looking at getting into them, the Mint dashboard, and I'll put this in the links below. If you're interested, definitely take a look at this one here. If you get into profitengine.netify apps/mint, you can get in here and mint your NFTs. Once they're gone, they have 100K total earmarked, and then the NFTs, there'll be no more supply to them. You have to go to the secondary markets. You have to go to Tofu or something that uses a BSC NFT, which these are. They're on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you want to get into a bronze, it's 5.5 USDT, and that's for a 2K, 5K NFT. They have 10, 50, 100, and 250K. So if you want the diamond end at the top end, it's 687.5 USDT to get into this one. And they are looking at ways to increase the trading pool. About 10% of the profits do go back into the trading pool, and they're looking at using FX Nitro as well in the future. So if you want to look at these, you purchase your NFTs. If you go in here, you can see your NFTs will show up here. If you have multiple of them, if you have 5 or 6 or whatever, you click on them. You just click claim all. Your claimed rewards, claimable rewards for the week show up here. This is the total NFTs that have been minted, and it calculates your earnings going forward that you have for overall for the period that you've been holding the NFTs. So I'm liking this one, and again, this is not financial advice. If you're interested in getting into Profit Engine, make sure that you look into this one, and do your own research on this one. So that's it for today on the update. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.